and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors.
Look at this hawk.
We're giving your girls a 10-minute head start. So we'll catch you. What are you going to catch me for? Yeah, we did. I did it for 12 miles on the school. So we saw about 75 years left.
Oh, see, I was telling her that the least I've ever seen is 111. The most I've seen is
Oop, oop.
See, I never come here. I'm like, there's a dozen there.
What is the time that we're departing?
9:35.
Alrighty.
On the guided tour, rookery, gator watch.
Rick for the rookery.
Rookery, here we go.
Alright.
And our next intersection is 9/10 of a mile.
So where we start seeing the alligators, you said?
We're here,
Uh-huh.
right up in here. There's be a lot more water right in here, and all black in here. This is all
Oh,
water.
okay.
This is all water.
Yeah, that's
right
where we seen it, right here.
here. Okay, yeah.
That-
And that's where that big pair was when I.
Oh yeah, that's that's a spot.
Yeah, that was the spot.
Oh snap! All right.
Is that a log?
Okay, I seen that log.
Okay, but I saw the gator.
All right, Rick wants an apology. I'm sorry, Rick.
I spotted the gator. She said I was fibbing, so show him the gator.
Gators. Evidence. Damn camera. Swamp. Then Mr. Gator, right here. So this is 6-1. Of course, Rick. His eyes is way better than mine. Guess you know not to trust me. I thought the log was the gator. Those not to be trusted.
Well, just not spotting gators.
Wait, we're gonna walk?
You want to ride?
Which one's more safe? Cause he's like right there, and we're gonna go right here.
I know that.
Oh boy.
I don't really want to
Okay.
chase him off. And usually you just walk by.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you, right?
No, get on this side. Oh, you want to just bike by it fast.
Oh shit, this is a dilemma.
Or you want to turn around.
I never got. No, we have to finish it. Shit.
Let's see if I can turn it. Gator, can you roll, please?
Oh, hold on. What if he attacks it? Oh my goodness. Number 9 gator on the trail. I'm videoing you right now. Videoing you in action. Yeah, especially now I have faith in you. I'm just kidding. Well, you help us escape from that big gator. Oh, cool. He went down.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Gator.
I know. Now he plays well. That's how nature should be. Here.
Okay. And there's another gator in the water, so that makes 14.
Shoo.
All right, Gator, can you please go in the water? Go join your friend. Go on. Go on. Go join your friend. Go join your friend. Can you go? You're just going to let me go by.
Oh shit. He made that noise. OMG. OMG. Oh, my heart is beating.
Yeah. The gator, the bigger gator bit that, honey. It's missed a piece of its tail.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's the reason why he left.
Well, he knew because I'm bad.
Rick said this is not a paw print from a dog. So he thinks it's panther, Rick?
Absolutely.
Because he said there's no human footprint next to it.
Around it, and I'm going to take it home and study it more. And this one right here. Excuse me, hon. Let me come this way.
Okay. He just want to put his butt in my face.
I said excuse me. All right. But see, there's no human tracks around it. No bicycle or nothing. That's a panther walking that trail.
Holy smoke!
But see, I threw that Bible. I told you, you know.
Oh, cool. I'm glad you bought the bike.
Yeah, well, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to do the distance, you know. It's just too damn far to walk.
It's true. The fish is jumping over there like crazy.
And we're probably seeing stuff that 90% of the people who do this trail don't, because they don't get this far back in, you know what I mean?
True.
Which is way cool.
How old are you, Rick?
72.
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
Nice. Look at all that fish there. Okay, guys. My endurance cannot beat this. I'm like out of breath and he's just laughing. Yep. Yep. That was funny. And I fell off my bike. Age is nothing but a number. He's right. I'm about to die. Keep asking for breaks. You just keep on going and going and going like, holy smoke.
Come on, Tweety. Happy.
Uh-huh.
You want to go to E, which is 2 miles, which is here. And then from E to B is 1.7.
Oh my God.
There's 3.7. And B to parking lot. 3,
I'm dying.
4 miles. Can you do it? You got A behind you. You threw through the radar. Suck it up, woman.
He said I need,
Suck it up.
need a better heart to hang out with him.
No, I said better shape. Your heart's great. All right, good job, baby.
Ay. Oh man, I'm exhausted and barely just past halfway and I'm pooped. Let's go.